Everyone talks about AI agents, but almost nobody shows you how to build one. Today we fix that. By the end of this video, you'll have your first working agent skill, and it takes less time than you think. An agent skill is just a small, focused tool your AI can call to do one job well. Think of it like giving your assistant a single, reliable ability. Let's build one that fetches the current weather. Here's your concrete step. Open your code editor and create a function called get_weather. Give it one input, a city name. Inside, call a free weather API, grab the temperature, and return a short sentence like, "It's 18 degrees in Paris." That's the whole skill. Now the important part, you describe this function to your AI in plain language. You write a short description. Use this to get current weather for a city. The model reads that, decides when to call it, and passes the city automatically. That connection between plain English description and real code is the entire idea behind agent skills. Test it by asking your agent, "What's the weather in Tokyo?" If it calls your function and answers, you just built a working skill. Once you understand this pattern, you can build skills for anything, checking a calendar, summarizing emails, or querying your own database. Each new skill is just another small function with a clear description. Here's the honest part. Learning to build these is a genuinely valuable skill, and yes, people get paid to create automations like this. But there are no guarantees and no overnight money. The people who succeed are the ones who keep building. So build this one today, then build a second one tomorrow. Subscribe if you want the next tutorial, and tell me in the comments what skill you're building first.